First, remove the flap cover. Then remove the plastic lid. Loosen the screw and remove the wire. Press and hold, pull out the line. Release a spring. Loosen the nut and remove the steel spring. Before removing the spring, inflate and lift the suspension plate first. Loosen the screws again, remove the spring and support rod. Loosen the screws and remove the cover. Loosen the screw and remove the thermocouple wire. Install a new thermocouple wire. Tighten to prevent detachment. The same applies to the replacement of heating plates. Reinstall the cover in its original position. Install support rod. Install the screws and tighten them. Adjust the support rod and tighten the screws. Install the spring. Adjust position. Lower the hanging plate and adjust the alignment position. Install a new thermocouple wire. Re-thread the wires back to their original position. Reconnect the wires in their original positions. Installing cover. Install high temperature cloth. Adjust the position and pressure of the heating plate. Installation is complete.